So let's understand, what do we mean by investment? By investment, we mean employment of funds into different asset classes. For what we are making this employment of funds into the asset classes will be for the purpose of generating return in terms of income as well as capital appreciation. That means if I employ my fund, be it from my saving or from any other sources, and I'm employing it into different asset classes with the purpose of income and capital appreciation, this kind of employment of fund will be known as investment. Now, there are two attributes of investment. First is your risk, second is your return. Now, these two are the pillars of finance. The higher is the risk, the higher is the return. The lower is the risk, the lower is the return. Now, basis the risk tolerance or risk appetite of every investor, this trade-off between risk and return changes. Now, how this process of investment works, let's understand this. It's basically a cycle. You have an income. Through that income, you make certain expenditure and you make certain savings. That's the balance, or that's the difference between your income and expenditure. This saving you channelize as investment into different asset class, which again in return gives you income. This increases your overall income the next time. Hence, your investment or saving will also increase. That's exactly how the process works. You need to sacrifice the consumption today for more investment and more income in future. How does an investment appears to an economist? Let's take an example. Person XYZ has a factory A. He produces certain goods and services from factory A. The business is good. He saves a lot through the production process of factory A, and he decides to go ahead and establish another factory, that is factory B. So basically, to an economist, establishing of factory B will be an investment. Hence the definition can go, investment is the net addition made to the nations that consist of goods and services that are used in production process. So once you are employing to the goods or services, be it factory or anything else, which is basically helping you to increase the production process of the economy, it will be known as investment. To a finance guy, financial investment is the allocation of expected money to assets for the purpose of return or in terms of gains over a period of time. This is what we mean by an investment. Now let's go ahead and understand what's the objective of investment.